Hey, this is Max from Upright Health, where we help you think right, move right, and feel right. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate some balancing exercises to help you improve your ankle stability, hip stability, and foot strength. We're going to show you an assessment so you can test where your balance currently is, and then we're going to show you some balancing progressions that you could start to work on to improve your balance. These balancing exercises can really help with ankle mobility issues because they start to fire up some of those very sleepy muscles in the ankles, and I've personally found it very helpful in getting into deeper dorsiflexion and just stopping all that cracking in the ankles. Also, I've seen this help many of my clients with their foot issues and specifically for clients who have been trying to improve their arch by getting into short foot. This has built that connection with their mind and their foot on how to really get into that short foot position.
The first thing we're going to do is check your balance with an assessment. Balance on one foot, start with the right, and see how long you could stay balanced before you feel the need to bring the other foot down. Do the right foot first and then move on to the left. And target 30 seconds. Once 30 seconds becomes easy, you could start playing around with some of the other balancing progressions. The next progression you're going to play around with is closing your eyes as you balance on one foot. So as you can see, that's not very easy and will definitely expose some weaknesses for most of you. So again, as last time, try to target for 30 seconds. The goal here is to test each side, see which is weaker, and try to also focus on the foot and gripping the floor with your foot. So you want to be strong from the foot to the hip, and you want to feel and notice if there's any weird or uncomfortable sensations that you have going on. The next progression is going to be one-legged hip hinges. What you're going to want to do here is same as all the other balancing drills. You're going to want to have a strong arch and strong support in your foot. Feel like you're gripping the floor strongly with the arch of your foot. And then you're going to push the opposite leg back as you hinge forward to perform the movement. You could use your hands against the wall at first. If it's very difficult, just hold the wall. But eventually you're going to want to try to perform this movement without a wall, without any support. Once the body weight balancing exercises become easy, you can add a kettlebell. So the first kettlebell balancing exercises are wraparounds. So you're going to balance on one foot, establish that short foot, and you're going to have a light kettlebell, 5 to 10 pounds, and you're going to wrap it around your waist 3 times in each direction, trying to maintain good balance the whole time. And then you're going to, once that becomes easy, you move on to the next progression. The next progression for balancing with a kettlebell are halos. You're going to want to wrap the kettlebell up and above your head, doing 3 reps per side in each direction. So you're going to go up and over to the left 3 times, up and over to the right 3 times, and then you're going to switch feet and do the same thing on the other side. Same principles apply here as the other balancing exercises, establishing a strong arch and short foot with your feet and making sure you maintain balance throughout. The last and most difficult progression is going to be the one-leg kettlebell hinge. You're going to want to make sure that you hold the kettlebell on the same side as the leg that you're kicking back with. Although this is a great balancing exercise, it's also just a great fundamental movement to train the body in. Again, same principles apply as always. You're going to want to make sure you have a strong arch. You're gripping the floor with your foot, imagining that you're squeezing the ground with your toes and your heel, and try to maintain a neutral spine as you go down. You don't want to round the upper back too much or arch the lower back too much. And as you get more comfortable with this position, you could go lower and explore more depth.
Check the description box below for helpful links. Subscribe and like. And as always, pain sucks, life shouldn't.